management of Shimano. My name is Jackson Goh,
and my name is Douglas.
Today we are going to present to you analysis of high-end road bike for Shimano. The agenda is as follows. I will be touching on the current bike industry analysis following emerging problems that Shimano are going to face. Next, I'll pass to Douglas to touch on the recommendations to tackle all these problems. The current bike industry as of now is slowly but certainly progressing from mountain bike to road bike. Why do I say so? This is because evidence has shown that by the retail price by percentage, the road bike is having a tremendous growth from 2002 to 2004. This reflects that the demand for road bike is very high, and that's why retailers are able to mark up their retail price by so much amount over such a short period of 2 years. Next, what kind of problems are emerging that Shimano has to tackle with? Well, the first that we identified is increasing competition in terms of research and development. In research and development (R&D), competitors such as SRAM are investing heavily to produce components parts which are of good enough durability and quality, but yet a much cheaper price. This will inevitably lead Shimano down into a price war with them. Next, we identified that Shimano has the problem of long lead times production. This adversely affects its customers, which are the frame manufacturers and assemblers down the supply chain. As frame manufacturers are concerned with potential sales, they have to produce complete bikes on a timely basis. So, if any competitors of Shimano are able to produce mechanical components parts that suits the customer's needs at a much faster pace than Shimano may face losing all these customers. Last but not least, we identified that there has been a gradual shift in retail environment. As such, there is increasing number of frame manufacturers which are setting up its own bicycle concept stores. So, they want to sell their own exclusive brand of bicycles. In this sense, that presents an opportunity for Shimano to leverage on, as long as they are able to conduct information gathering with these customers and produce mechanical component series which cater specifically to these customers' needs. Now, I'll pass on to Douglas to tell you more on the recommendations to tackle the problem. Douglas, please.
Thank you, Jackson. So now we have seen what emerging problems that Shimano face in the following industry. So what recommendations we have come up with? We have come up with a total of 4 recommendations in our analysis. Firstly, we all know that Shimano is a very good manufacturer in bicycle components, but competitors such as SRAM has threatened its position in the future. So to do that, Shimano's focus in R&D is to produce lighter components that do not compromise on the durability of its components. In that case, it could still remain a top in the industry. Well, in light of the changing retail environment, there is a need to maintain strong customer relationship with its customers. And so, if Shimano can go and integrate all of this into one, it could better know the customer's needs, and it can engineer products that can cater to the customer's needs on a more timely basis, and it will be able to solve the emerging problem of Shimano's. Next, in light of the long lead time, there is a need to integrate an accounting system in Shimano itself. For example, as a system such as NetSuite, if Shimano can use this system, it can integrate all these 3, and for the frame manufacturers, it can integrate its systems with the ordering system of Shimano. In that case, the lead times will be greatly reduced, and it will be able to remain top in the bicycle component industry. Well, we all know that Shimano has a very good marketing strategy, but now we are just suggesting that it should have more aggressive marketing strategy, such that it should engage Lance Armstrong, which is the winner of a lot of bicycle competition to be its spokesman. Why do we say so? Because when bicycle enthusiasts see Lance Armstrong on television winning a race or competition using Shimano's products, they will be more inclined to buy Shimano's products as it builds on its brand integrity. And other than that, Shimano can also sponsor charity events and bicycle marathons so as to increase the awareness of its products and will show people that Shimano is also a very environmental friendly and good company to buy with. So after I have mentioned all the possible recommendations that we can go into, so now how can Shimano proceed from here? First, as its business model is being innovative, it could collaborate with design consulting firms such as Ideal to come up with a trademark bicycle so that bicycle enthusiasts can buy it and build it and cycle with their own passion. Furthermore, Shimano could possibly break into the Southeast Asian countries in the near future, as there is a trend that all these countries have jumped onto the bandwagon of owning more complex bicycles. And with that, we hope this analysis has shown you what are the potential ways that Shimano can proceed in the future. And with this comes to the end of our analysis and our presentation. Thank you.